In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use visual input with Chatgpt-4. This feature can be incredibly useful if you want to incorporate images into your interactions with this advanced language model. Whether you're looking to get more context or simply explore the capabilities of AI, this guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure you're up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT. You're likely familiar with this platform, but if you're new, simply navigate to the ChatGPT interface on your preferred device, either on the web or through an app, and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the home screen where you usually interact with the chatbot. Now, for our next step, you'll want to either create a new chat or start from an existing conversation. This offers a fresh slate for you to engage with ChatGPT and use the visual input feature. Inside the chat space, you'll notice the message box at the bottom of your screen. It's the area where you typically type in your questions or prompts. To add an image, look for the paperclip icon, often located somewhere around the message box. This icon is universally recognized across many platforms, signifying attachment or file uploads. Clicking on this icon will open a window that allows you to access files stored on your device. Here's where the magic begins. From the window, you'll be able to browse through your files. Choose an image you want to discuss or analyze with Chatgpt-4. Whether it's an image from your gallery, a screenshot you took, or a visual representation of something more abstract, select the appropriate file. It's important to choose a clear image so Chatgpt-4 can effectively process and understand it. Once you've chosen your image, you'll see it appear in the chat interface, indicating it's ready to be used in your conversation. Now, in the message box where you typically input text, you'll want to type your question or the context you're offering to ChatGPT about the image. This step is crucial as it informs the AI what specific information you're looking to extract or discuss regarding the visual input. As soon as you submit this, Chatgpt-4 will process your question along with the image. This integrated analysis allows Chatgpt-4 to offer insights, answer questions, or elaborate on the visual content based on your prompt. You might find this particularly helpful for clarifying content, identifying elements within an image, or even generating creative narratives based on visual stimuli. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively use visual input within Chatgpt-4. This feature not only expands the way you interact with the AI, but also enhances the depth and applicability of your interactions. I hope this guide has helped you understand the process clearly. Thank you for watching, and see you next time as we explore more AI capabilities.